Good morning. MJ here of Mike and MJ's RV Adventures. I just wanted to show you Michael installed 400 extra watts of solar, which gives us a whopping 730 watts of solar, and he can take these off and make them ground panels. He built a frame around it yesterday. Yeah, for when we, in the summer, if we don't want to park in the sun, we can park in the shade and set our panels out. Pretty cool. And as you can see, he installed a TV antenna for me, so I can catch some news here every so often. I'm not sure I really want to know what's going on in the world. Ignorance is bliss, but I guess I'd like to know, a little bit what's going on. So that's it for today. I'm going to have some footage of him hooking up the solar today, so we'll get back to you later. All right? Thanks for stopping by. Please like and subscribe. Showing you how the frame was made. It was made with conduit, and it was connected with U-bolts for easy off and on. I'm not sure you can see those U-bolts or not. There they are. You can take them off easily and make ground panels out of it. Michael's preparing to hook up the solar. He has it all installed. Now he's hooking it up. Almost finished, Michael, huh?
Yeah, I gotta go get a few parts.
Okay. I won't bug ya. Just gonna show the finished product here when you're all done. These panels come off, and they can be ground panels. So we don't have to park in the sun all the time. All right? That's it for today. I'll show you the finished product. See you soon. Michael preparing to hook up our solar. He has it installed, and finished my antenna yesterday.
I see my razor knife laying in here.
And we're gonna get him hooking up the solar. Alrighty. Thank you. Please like and subscribe.